Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button right here. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait for the watch to boot up. And once you see this message on the screen, you can take your iPhone you want to pair with your watch and place it near your watch. And once you do, you should see the pop-up on the screen that you can pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. My iPhone was already next to the watch when I turned it on, so I won't get this pop-up. I just need to open the watch app on my iPhone. But if you get the pop-up, tap on the pair watch or something like that. There is a button like on this pop-up, and it will basically open the watch app for you, and it will start the pairing process. I'm gonna open the watch app and then tap on start pairing. And at this point, if you tapped on the pop-up, you will basically see the same page as I do. So here we can select if you want to set up the watch for ourselves or for the family member. I'm gonna select setup for myself. And now we need to scan the QR code, maybe not QR code. Basically, we need to scan the code or the screen of our watch with the iPhone. So basically, you need to point the iPhone's camera on the watch. And once you point it like this, it's gonna start pairing devices. Here, I can restore the settings and stuff like that from backup. I don't want to do it, so I'm gonna tap on setup as new. But if you want to restore the backup of your watch, you can do it by tapping on restore from backup. Next we have the wrist preference. Select the one you like and tap next or continue. Now let's agree to the terms of conditions. And if your Apple Watch was connected to different account or already connected to an account, you will need to confirm that it's you. By default, you will just need to probably log in into an Apple ID account. So basically enter the email address and password. And then tap on next. Agree to the terms and conditions again. And here we can set up a passcode, basically screen lock. If you want to use the passcode, tap on create a passcode and enter the passcode you want to use, and then you will need to re-enter it. I'm just gonna tap on don't add the passcode because I don't need to, right here. Then tap on don't use the passcode. Right here we can select the text size. You can adjust it by swiping on the slider. You can also turn on the bold text if you want to. So adjust it to your liking and then tap on continue. Tap on OK. Right here we can customize the fitness data like the date of birth, sex, height, weight, and if you're using a wheelchair. So adjust the values by tapping on them and then entering them. And once you're done, tap on continue. Here we have the workout route tracking. So if you want to use this feature, you need to enable it. If you don't care, you can keep it disabled by tapping on disable tracking route. This is useful if you want to track your workouts on the map, basically. So if you want to use it, tap on enable route tracking. If you don't care, you can tap on disable. Right here we can enable the noise feature. Basically, it will measure the surrounding noise around you, and it will tell you if the level of the noise might affect your hearing if you're staying too long near it. And then tap on continue. Here tap on continue. And right here we can select what to do with the action button. This button right here. And you can select to open the workout with it, stopwatch, waypoint, backtrack, dive, or the flashlight. Select the one you like and tap on continue. And here we can opt to turn on the depth application automatically if your watch is submerged. So basically, if you're wearing your watch and you go under the water, it will turn on the depth application automatically. Or you can tap on don't open automatically to keep it disabled. Select the one you like. Here tap on continue and wait until the setup process is complete. Tap on OK. And you should see your Apple Watch right here on the in the app on the page. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the hello message. You can tap on start and you can go through the tutorial how to use the watch. Okay. At this point we can use our watch, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.